Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Luwak coffee is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
Here, the controlled fermentation process is key to enhancing the unique flavor and aroma that defines our coffee.
This quality indicator seems off. Are we within parameters?
Yes, rerunning the diagnostic, everything looks optimal now.
Every batch is refined and tested for aroma, flavor, and consistency.
Every package is inspected before leaving the factory.
And that's how Luwak coffee is made, from start to finish.